Howdy, and welcome back to the Addicted Motors Rover Auction Review Series. We've been doing a lot of these, over 50, this is, I think it's 54, 55 episodes so far, so make sure you go back and check out some of the old ones. We even bought cars we've talked about on this little feature. So this episode is going to be about trying to find something at auction that is a Land Rover that won't totally screw you. Now, this particular example is, I think, the way you don't buy a Land Rover at a dealer auction. And most importantly, or most specifically, or what I want to highlight is the fact that it's being sold by another private dealer. It's not just a trade-in for a new car. This particular 08 L322, finished in Arctic White, I think it is for sale for about $4,800, and it looks okay. It's in Illinois. This dealer does a lot of these very clean-looking Rover trades. They don't ever put descriptions or anything like that. They're very diluted ads. It looks good. Everything seems okay. The price is attractive enough that makes you want to bid on it, but I think it's for a reason. I think it's because it has issues. And of course, for $5,000, it's going to have issues, but I think you can do better. I think that's what I'm really trying to get at. Is this is okay, but I think you can do better for a more honest trade. There's no description. I might see a little pockmark of rust. I can't tell what that is. Again, we'll go through these pictures. There's not much to talk about. It looks clean. There's tire dressing on everything. It's polished up. The interior needs a little bit of work. The headliner looks okay. Just kind of an honest looking used car. But the fact that it is, I believe they probably also bought it at an auction, put it back on the auction site potentially the same day, mark it up $2,000 for whatever they paid, and send it because it's $4,000. You can afford to lose it if you're in this game. Not the end of the world. So again, I'm not saying this isn't a bad deal, but at 168,000 miles, which is really 170, which is really 200,000 miles, there's a chance that this thing needs absolutely everything because they'll last for 170,000 miles on a lot of the original components before things start to fall apart. But again, it's got a lot of things going for it. It's got the caramel interior. It is an 08. It's finished in white. It's cheap. It checks all the boxes. But the fact that someone has already put their hands on it, it's no longer a virgin sale. It's been tainted by by the industry, let's call it. This Rover has an OnlyFans, and I think it's trying to go straight now. So that's my opinion. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about this one. Like I said, it's tempting. It could be great, but my feeling is that it's not great. So yeah, let me know. There's no underbody shots. There's no nothing. There's no check engine light. There's a picture that I'm getting to probably in a second that shows the air suspension button, and I don't see the little middle bar illuminated, so I'm assuming since there's no pictures of the cluster or anything like that, that it could have the suspension fault as well. It's just little things like that just kind of gloss over, the ad in general and give me this kind of, I call it a tire shine feeling where everything's just covered in tire shine, but it doesn't mean anything's legit. I think here's the picture that I mentioned. Let me try to zoom in, and yeah, I don't know. I don't really see that illuminated. So who knows? I could be wrong. Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Check out the rest of the videos and follow me on Instagram for some more updates for all things Addicted Motors. So thanks for watching, and we will catch you on the next episode.